Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the font size on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on display. From here just scroll down and tap on display size and text. Now from here, as you can see, this is the option to change the font size. Now if you swipe this slider to the left side, you will decrease the font size on your smartphone, just like that. Now if you swipe this slider to the right side, you will increase the size of the font on your smartphone, just like that. And this is how you can change the font size on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.